We hope you had a great time at today's virtual open house and that we answered all of your questions. Hopefully by hearing from faculty, staff, current students, and alumni, you get a full picture of what it's like to be a Mountaineer on our campus. One of the best parts of being a Mountaineer in the Statler College is that no two students have the exact same path to graduation. If there's something you want to do while you're here, you'll have the opportunity to make your path individual to you. If you have any questions that we didn't answer today, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Or if you'd like to get in contact with one of the current students, alumni, or faculty members that you heard from, we can also connect you with them. We can't wait to see what you do with your future. We know we'll be impressed, and we hope it's here at WVU.